All right, guys, you gotta love OBS, and this the one. 1990 Chevy 454 SS. She's absolutely beautiful. Paint, in my opinion, on the driver quality scale is a solid 8. From 4 or 5 feet away, you won't see nothing. Nice driver. Y'all know she got the 7.4 liter 454 big block Chevy. She a TBI engine, so she's ultra reliable. Those TBI units are bulletproof. Not known for tons of horsepower, but if you want reliability, this the one. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm very interested in this truck, guys. She's beautiful. I don't mind the blemishes and imperfections. Some of us guys not at that stage of our life to have a perfect paint job. As y'all can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Driver side, frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Very clean. The bed is carpeted, and she comes with tons of parts, guys. Look at that. You gotta love it when you buy a classic and it comes with boxes like that. Let you know it was well taken care of. The tailgate is in good shape too, guys. Interior is absolutely beautiful, guys. She got bucket seats. If y'all know about the OBSs, the dashes are infamous for cracking. Look how beautiful she is. Somebody babied her. All I can say is absolutely beautiful. No tears, cracks, or stains. She reads a little over 16,000, guys. And there she is, the big block 7.4 liter, 454, in all its glory. TBI engine that's very reliable. She's got power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start this baby up. Fire right up. She running like a sewing machine, guys. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Don't miss out on this beauty.